here's a clever use for the find replace. So in this example, we've got a whole bunch of names, and what we want to do is we don't want to retype this, and also we want to link to it so that if this name changes, for example, then all these down here will change as well. Now the problem with this is if I go like this equals that one there, which is fine, I can then copy it down, no problem. And the benefit of that is now this looks at each one. But now what happens is if I copy this and I decide to paste it here, then depending how you set it up, because there are no dollar signs, what's going to happen is you'll see this now is actually looking over here. So you've got to be very careful how you do that. So a better suggestion is first do exactly what we've done here, equals A8, and copy it down, and you get the benefit of Excel automatically adjusting it. But now what we want is all of these must continually to look at, for example, row 8. So what I can do, I can highlight it. I can then do a Control H to do a replacement. And in this case, what we're going to do is you'll see here this says equals A8, and we know these all say equal A something. I'm going to say find what? Find equals A, and replace it with equals A dollar sign. So when I do that and I say replace all, you'll see the first part pretty much looks the same, so it doesn't look like anything's changed, except now when we copy and paste, you'll see we've now got equals $8. So from now on we can just go and copy paste continually, and it'll always be looking up here. And we can now make changes here and be confident that they are filtering to the correct place.